इधर है अनिल।
Okay. One more must be. One more. Spirit, you are right now. Order.
मैं इस फिल्म में गेस्ट अपीयरेंस कर रही हूँ। एक डांस सॉन्ग है, डांस आइटम है, इसके लिए बुलाया गया है, तो जस्ट लाइक अ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस। क्या जी? उन्हें अच्छी डांसर चाहिए थी, वर्सेटाइल, सो आई गेस दैट्स व्हाई दे अप्रोच मी। सरोज जी ने भी कहा एंड आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, समथिंग डिफरेंट, क्योंकि आज तक जो भी फिल्म करके आई हूँ मैं, उसमें कोई डांस नंबर नहीं रहा, हालांकि जिसमें की है वो अभी तक रिलीज नहीं हुई है। तो दिस इज माय फर्स्ट डांस आइटम। ये आपको डायरेक्टर साहब से पूछना पड़ेगा, आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट दिस। मुझे सिर्फ कहा गया कि एक गेस्ट अपीयरेंस से करोगे, मैंने बोला डेफिनेटली करूँगी। फिल्म अच्छी है, वैसे शेप अप अच्छी हुई है, गुड रिपोर्ट्स भी रखती है, स्टोरी काफ़ी अच्छी है, और संजय दत्त एंड नमता अदर कास्ट, सो आई थिंक यू शुड डू वेल। इवन संजय मांजरेकर आई थिंक इज अ गुड डायरेक्टर। इट्स अ क्लब सॉन्ग, जैसे कि बार सॉन्ग होता है, इट्स मोर ऑफ अ बार सॉन्ग, इट्स अ क्लब नाइट सॉन्ग। तो एक्शन होने वाला है इसमें, उसके पहले गाना होता है, तो संजू कम्स इन जस्ट बिफोर द सॉन्ग एंड्स, तो दिस इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सॉन्ग।
Vastav means reality, and the film is about the underworld, and it projects a very true picture about the underworld, and that is the name Vastav. And I don't know, I could have named it Satya, but that film has come, so I named it Vastav, which was all I could do, you know. And it is quite a real film, so it is not a what to say, a very beautiful commercial film नहीं है ये. It is a very hard hitting film. It is a very true to life film. No, there is no such thing as commercial cinema and art cinema. There is either good cinema or bad cinema. when people say कि हमारी आर्ट फिल्म है तो रिलीज तो करते हैं, so they do commerce with it, they do make money with it, so it is a commercial cinema. And I don't say कि commercial cinema is bad. There are some wonderful projects in commercial cinema, and there are some very bad projects in art cinema also. So it depends, like it has to be a good cinema or a bad cinema. Basically, what a director does, he tells a story in his own way. And how you tell a story and how honest you are towards the subject, that is what matters. And I think in the long run, honesty pays. If you project a subject very honestly, I think people are there ready to see a honest film. Outline नहीं बोल सकते, it's not a suspense film, but though I can't, because there is an element of surprise in the film, not suspense, which if the people know well beforehand, so it will spoil their viewing pleasure. So it is about the underworld. It is a very true to life picture about the underworld, and it doesn't it's a very violent film with a minimum of violence, and I think it is looking at the other side of the underworld. Like the media, the press have given the gangsters, a very glamorized look, which is not there. It's tearing off the glamour from the underworld. It's trying to pity a gangster. So it is an emotional film about a gangster. Now it depends how the director manages everything. Like even I was a newcomer. What happens if you have the confidence to convince an actor to do a role and do it according to what he has visualized? But then the director should be very confident that he will do it accordingly. So for that, the director should be convinced that what I am telling him is right, and I should be convinced first. So I think not once in the whole, throughout the film, did Sanju ask me a question, why am I doing it, or why shouldn't I do it this way? He has been an exceptional actor for a director. And likewise, see, when he was convinced what I am doing is right, he is convinced when I take Namrata, what I am telling her to do. So there was no problem at all. In fact, they gelled very well, and the scenes also come out very well. Honesty. Honesty, I made a very honest film. And when I see the film, see what the fate of the film is. You can't predict a film to be a hit or a flop. But then I'll be very proud to see this film. I'm very proud that I made this film. Like even if it flops tomorrow, I won't shirk my responsibility कि नहीं यार मेरे से कुछ होगा नहीं. When I see my film, I am very satisfied with the film. Music is with the film. It is not a patch. It is. There are no songs for promos and for countdown shows. If they come in countdown shows, they'll come on merit. I have not made it कि ये गाना मैं ऐसा solid hit front benchers के लिए, ये class के लिए, mass के लिए. Whatever songs are there, they come in the structure of the film. And I am very happy with Jatin Lalit. For a change, like it is not. The music is by Jatin Lalit, but it is not the sort of a music people associate with Jatin Lalit. They have given a lot of variety in the film, and it goes according to the texture of the film. It is not a countdown shows का music or front benches का music. ऐसा नहीं है. All songs are there, and nobody will find them out of place. नहीं कि ये गाना बीच में से कैसे आया. ये गाना नहीं, सीन ही है पिक्चर का. यहाँ से क्लाइमैक्स शुरू होता है. भजन है. क्या होता है कि गैंगस्टर्स, अंडरवर्ल्ड भगवान में बहुत बिलीव करते हैं. समवेयर जो गिल्ट रहता है ना, किसको मारा है मैंने, इसको ये किया, समवेयर दे ट्राई टू वॉश ऑफ देयर गिल्ट, सो दे बिकम वेरी पायस, दे बिकम वेरी गॉड फियरिंग. वो भगवान के पास बहुत जाते हैं. सो वहाँ जाते हैं और वो गाने के बाद उसको समझता है कि अपने बाजू के सब दरवाजे बंद हो गए, कॉर्नर्ड है वो. यहाँ से क्लाइमैक्स की तरफ निकलती है फिल्म. सो इट कम्स एट अ वेरी क्रूशियल टाइम, एंड इट्स वेरी व्हाट टू से पोएटिक कि यहाँ पे जा रहा है तू तेरे सिंस धोने के लिए, वहाँ से ही तेरा डाउनफॉल शुरू होता है. So I don't call it a song. It is part of the process of the film. I don't know. Songs बोलते तो I feel a little odd. I had not taken a song director or a dance director also for that song because it was a scene.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. हेलो वेट क्लियर करो 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 हेलो तब्दील किसे जाओ
म्यूजिक क्यों बंद किया? ये छमिया नाचना चल. Got it. Okay.